Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to watch high-quality videos on Facebook. We start by opening our Facebook profile in the browser. After that, click on the account icon. Then click on Settings and Privacy and then on Settings. Now in the menu on the left, click on the Media option. Next, in the Video Default Quality option, we will see a drop-down list of options where we can choose how to configure the quality of the videos we see and choose to make it HD whenever possible. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.